Welcome to our PLC programming tutorial, Mastering On-Delay Timers. In this video, we will dive deep into on-delay timers, the most searched PLC timer function, explaining how they work, how to set presets and accumulated values, and exploring real-world applications like conveyor startup delays. Even consider how to implement them using only ladder logic runs. No need for specialized function blocks. On-delay timers delays the activation of an output until a specific time has elapsed after an input goes active. This is essential in processes where you need to ensure a stable condition is met before proceeding. Let's break down how to set up on-delay timers in your PLC program. Each timer has a unique tag, say timer 1, denoted as T1. This timer has three key parameters: the preset value, the accumulated value, and the status bits. Imagine a conveyor system that should only start after 10-second delay when a button is pressed. Using on-delay timer, you can ensure that a conveyor only begins operation once the safety conditions are verified. Before we wrap up, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. Double-check your preset values and time-based settings. Ensure your input signals are clean and free from noise. Debounce if necessary. Verify that the timer resets correctly when the input goes inactive. Well, that's a wrap on our guide to mastering on-delay timers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon for more PLC content. For a more detailed and written version of this tutorial, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.